Hi, today we are doing an origami dog. That's a smaller version, so we're gonna try and get it to look like that today. So all you need is a square. Again, you can have a square this size, or you can have one slightly smaller, and a pen for drawing on, doodling on. Okay, so take this square and we fold it over to make a triangle, and then fold it back and do it at the other side, make another triangle, and then put it back to the square, and then you're folding it over one side to another just to make it into a rectangle. And then if we do that again on the other side, the other way, and this is just to get your folds. So after you've done all that, it should look like that. So then we're going to take the corners and fold them as neatly as possible into the corners. So what I do is I put the corner in the middle first and then kind of fold at the last minute, so that makes it easier, that makes it more kind of exact. So if you push the corner in and then fold it and do it all the way around with your 4 triangles. Okay, so it should look like that. So you take the left triangle and you fold it into the side line like that, and then you fold it over and then crease that down. Then you take this triangle and then you take this triangle and you kind of fold it over so that you've got, it's kind of like it's kind of half bent over like an edge. This is the dog's tail, so if you can imagine, that's why you're doing it. Okay, so after you've done that, so you've got that folded in there, that folded over there, and you're just going to half it. That's why that crease was, you did your folds earlier on, so you're just going to half it. It's a bit tricky sometimes. You just half it and go over the line so that it looks just like that. So then you take this triangle out. Now this is you kind of trying to do the tip of the dog's nose and so you kind of concertina it a wee bit in the corner. This is the awkward bit. I found this really quite awkward. You kind of crush it in a little so that that's the kind of angle of the dog's nose, and you want it to kind of roughly be straight along the top and kind of angled down like that. And you fold that there, and then you do the same on the other side. So kind of take the triangle out, sorry, forgot about that. Take the triangle out and then kind of concertina the tip of the nose down a bit and line it up with the other bit there. So you can start to kind of see how the dog shape is taking shape. That's the tail and that's the nose. So the next bit, you just fold the triangle over on one side and turn it over, and do that with the other side. So it's starting to look a wee bit more like a dog now. So for the last bit, because it kind of looks like a Scotty dog, this, you're going to take the triangle bit, this bit here underneath, and you're going to straighten it so that it looks more like a Scotty dog, like that kind of shape. So now I'm just going to take the pen and draw its nose and its eye, and you can make some marks on it if you want. You can make it spotty, you can do anything you like with it. You can colour it in all different colours. You can do that on the other side as well. So there's one that I made earlier and there's another one here. So that's the bigger one, that's with softer paper. It still stands up, and that's one's made with card. So you can make them big or small. You could have a family and all different colours and shapes.